Hey friends, welcome back. So I have the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation Beautifying Complex for all skin types. In mine is in the shade LC1. Broad spectrum of 20. So I'm going to do a review on this. I have used this a couple times. So far my overall perspective is that it's great. I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water on. It's one of my favorite primers because it kind of keeps things from being like too makeup-y. I mean, that is one of the things I look for in a foundation, is that it sits on the skin well. It just looks like skin. It doesn't look like super foundation-y, and that it takes other products well. So I'm going to apply some to the other one half of my face, and we'll see how it goes from there. I did use this in like a quick get ready with me, so you saw it in action there, but this time we're gonna actually talk about it and really give us our thoughts. So if you are new to this and you're just like wondering, I am a normal skin type, meaning that I'm not over oily or overly dry. Foundation makes me oily, like if it kind of like, I don't know, if I notice more oil than I normally would with any other day or foundation, then I know that that foundation is not like compatible with my skin per se. And then there are times where you'll see like foundation that and then there are times when, you know, you can just kind of tell when things are just not working with your skin. And so far I like this foundation a lot, especially like right when you put it on, it looks amazing. And then so right when I put this on, I feel like it looks amazing. So you can see this half of my face looks like, this half of my face is just a little bit kind of more blurred, and this one is just, you can see like my redness here, some spots here. I got like some hormonal redness around my nose. And so I'm going to take a little bit more of this. Always, no matter what foundation you're using, I recommend always shaking a foundation. Okay, so I went ahead and applied a second layer to this side, and let's just kind of go and look real close up here. So what I will say is, as of right now, places that I look for is here on my nose and right here, because I have like, for some reason, some texture here. I don't know if it's like from plucking or what have you. I need to do some waxing, and that should be a video that's coming up shortly, but looks rather good. I would say that this is not a full coverage foundation. I would say light to medium, because you can build it. So I'm gonna do the other side, and then we will do overall, and we'll like apply some concealer and see how it takes to applying over top of it, you know. And then I'm applying the second layer to the other side. Now, I'm not a big fan of these like doe foot foundation applicators. I feel like someone did it and they're like, well, that's new, so everyone else should try it, but I don't know if it's like the best. Alright, so I'm going to apply some concealer. This is Maybelline Age Rewind in the brightening one. I've been loving this concealer lately. I just feel like it's kind of like one-stop shop for me. I don't do a lot of like concealing all over the face because, quite frankly, I'm not like concerned about that, you know? I mean, if you have a spot, you have a spot, because sometimes I feel like covering it makes it more emphasized. So if you just kind of do minimal coverage, I guess it kind of makes it look less obvious. That's my opinion, you know? I mean, everyone's different, but so I'm gonna apply this, and then we will powder, then I'll apply the rest of my makeup, and then we'll come back and see how it all kind of is hanging out. I don't believe that it like emphasizes much more texture on my skin. As I am getting older, I've been noticing my skin has changed a little bit, but not like by a lot to where I have to really, I've just been exfoliating a little bit. Overall like base that we have going on, I'm going to type powder a little bit like under my eyes with the e.l.f. Finishing powder in light fair or fair light, whatever you have. Now obviously it does like affect the type of powder that you're using. So I'm just like powdering in certain areas, just like basically T-zone areas, not all over my face. And it's very lightly. Alright, I'm going to apply some Milani eyeshadow primer, and then I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup, and we will come back and see how this is all going. Hey guys, so we are back. So the makeup look that I have on right now is a bit different because I was playing with some new makeup. So go watch my next video if you want to know how I got this interesting look. So far with some products on top, I feel like the foundation did really good. None of the other products really moved. I didn't use any cream products. I have this highlighter on from Naked Cosmetics and this Pretty Vulgar blush on, but so far I think the foundation is working really good. Now I have expression lines on my forehead that I mean, some people are like, I just have these lines, but I just do. That's just, I don't really feel like there's any way for me personally to avoid that, because I do have expression lines on my forehead. So I just kind of, I mean, it's personal preference. I don't feel like that's a really big thing because I notice it with every foundation that I wear. So far I think it's okay. But those lines, I don't really care. So far I love this foundation. It's really, really great. The claims on it are that it is for all skin types and great foundation. I will list links to it and some descriptions about it down below. And I will link the other video that I used it in. So far I really do love this foundation, and it's really great for the drugstore. I do not believe that it's extremely expensive. I want to say that it's $12. So I mean, for Physicians Formula pricing, it's pretty good, I guess, because Physicians Formula is a little bit up there and it always has been. But so far I think that it's a great foundation, and I think that you should definitely try it out, especially for it being a drugstore foundation, and it's vegan, and it's it has like a broad spectrum in it, so it's going to be great for the summer coming up. I definitely recommend it. The packaging is gorgeous, so it's just going to look so fancy. I do recommend it. I think that you guys should give it a try, and if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos such as this or any other videos that you may like. Have a great one.